to create a party supplies e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and you will proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, just click on next to proceed to type in your password. Just give it a few seconds. It's loading, and here after typing your password, click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating our store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. After typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you. Then do the same again with this other question. And then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of party supplies. So I think I'm going to choose tools and parts as my niche, and also classes and events. Then click on continue, and if you can't find your category in this list, just click on other and click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, type in the address to that store. If not, just skip this step and proceed to giving them a few seconds to build your store. And as you can see, this is the dashboard of the platform, and here in your right you have the edit site button and also the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website, where you can also find the edit site button, and the domains if you want to set a domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you can, in the site's items, you can create new products or change the ones that you already have. And if you want to create categories for those products, you can do it in the site's categories. And also we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of the orders that you have, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, and the paid one, and so on, or the cancelled. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set up your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you have the site's traffic reports, the site's activity reports, also the sources reports, the online sales, site items, abandoned carts, and coupons. And on the top we have the summary, if you want to see the summary of all these reports. So that's it for this section. Let's go to the marketing section, and in this section basically you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting from the email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings section, where we have the general settings. So just give it a few seconds to load, and in the general settings you can change the company name, change the address, the email, and the phone number. And then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account, or changing the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes and the units, where you can change the site's language or edit the units that you already have. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to editing or to the editing phase. So just click on the edit site button and give it a few seconds and be patient guys. It will take a little bit of time to load. So here, as you can see, just a second while we build your site. So just give it a few seconds, and here we have the setup guide. If you want to go with it, just click on what's next. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. Then the site styles will show up. As you can see, it's the first step of creating our store, which is choosing one of these styles to be our style. So it doesn't matter what style you choose now, you can always change the style later. So just make sure to choose one of these, one of the good ones, and you will not need to replace it later. So for this, I'm going to choose this one as my style. Then I will click on hide styles, check if it fits my store. After that, click on apply site styles, and here you have the site's design where you can change the style again. And if you want to add an image to be your logo, change colors or change fonts, and I'm going to change the fonts. I don't like this one, I'm going with Comforta, this one. Then click on done. After that, you have the shapes. If you want to change the shapes of the buttons and images, so I'm going to choose rounded. Same thing with images, rounded. Then click on done. Then we have the site's elements. If you want to change one of these, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one. And when you're done, you click on the done button, and let's close this one, dismiss all, also dismiss. And here in this plus button, if you want to create a new section or a new page, new item or a new category, and here in these options, if you want to change them, if you want to change the header, the main banner, hide it or show it, the featured items, if you want to delete it or change the placement of it. Also, if you want to do the same with the email newsletter, again the footer if you want to change it, and the footer branding also. And if you want to add a new section, just click on add section and it will be done that way. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.